to give, yeah, pwede dito sa taas. To give a present to your fathers. Come on, children. Let us call. And, okay. Come on, give your presents to your fathers. Huh? Come on, give their presents, okay? And kids, say I love you to your father.
Balik ka dun eh. Sorry.
Come on, kids. At least say I love you to your father. Alam niyo bang produkto nila kayo? Kangina ba yan?
Why are you like that? Stop it, compliment.
Okay na po? Sino pa po ang wala? Ay, si Tatay T. Ano yan? Oo, si Delia yung lagi katabi ni Tatay Tino every Sunday.
Wala namang picture, nakakaloka.
Okay na? Okay na po? Meron pa bang tatay na wala? Ang sarap ko dito, oh, nakakasama ako sa picture. Meron pa? Si Kuya Rene. Kuya Rene, ayan yung anak mong nawawala.
Anak, marami rito walang tata.
Ang puti naman.
Kangi-kangi na lang nakita. Medyo paarawan pa natin ng kaunti. Okay po, ang sarap ko dito talaga. O malu, ingit na ingit ka sa akin. Okay, mga fathers, sino pang wala? Taas ang kamay. Raise your hand if you don't have a present. Akin yung natira. Everyone has already? Okay. I would like to request all the fathers to please open your gift. Not from your family, okay? Not from your family, but from the group of the women. Okay.
Pantakot sa daga.
Okay.
Joke lang.
Kasi maganda, di ba? Meron silang picture wearing the giveaway. Oh, ganda. Oh, okay. Come on, fathers. Wear your t-shirt. And we are going to have a picture taking. We. Huwag kang maghuhubad. Bawal maghubad dito sa pagbihira ka. Hindi mo ba alam na banal tong lugar na to? Huwag kang maghuhubad. No, where? Come on, where? And we are going to have a picture taking. I said we, including me. Talaga ingit na sa akin si Malu, kangina pa. Kangina pa siya ingit. Hindi ka pwedeng pumunta dito, ako lang. Hindi ka pwede dito, ako lang. Oh.
Wala.
Eh bakit yung anak ni Tatay Tino hindi tinutulungan si Tatay Tino? Oh. Oh, see? Come on, fathers. Imagine pagka Father's Day, ang gaganda ng giveaway nila. Could you please next time sa Mother's Day, give us also a t-shirt? At least we are giving you an idea what is a good giveaway. Pinagagalitan ng mga tatay. This is a sample of a good giveaway. That's why, fathers, could you please next year think of something for us? Is that a good? Yeah, but just don't put. Yeah, it should be a different shirt. Oh, come on, fathers, position yourselves, and we are going to have a picture taking. Come on. Nasaan yung official natin? Nasaan si Beth? Beth, yan. Yan. Oh, meron pa bang hindi nakasuot? Ako ba walang t-shirt? Kasi sasama ako sa picture taking.
Hindi ka kasali.
Ay, mga pasaway. Kanino ba kayong mga asawa?